So hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make an social distancing project with Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, breadboard small, resistor 220 ohm, and LED and few jumper wires. So let's start. The concept behind this project is to detect obstacles. When the obstacle is in 100 meters range, the LED light emitting diode glows, and when the obstacle moves out of 100 meters range, the LED stops glowing. Materials used are these all: few jumper wires, ultrasonic sensor, Arduino, resistor, LED and small breadboard. So let's begin with the circuit. So first we will connect some jumper wires to ultrasonic sensor. It is a 4-pin ultrasonic sensor. So these are the connections for ultrasonic sensor. So let's keep it aside, and first we'll connect wires to the Arduino, and so one wire will go on ground and one will go on 5 volts, and we'll take the breadboard and the ground pin will go to negative and the 5-volt pin will go to positive. So now let's connect the LED. You can connect the LED in any of the columns, and now you have to take the resistor and you can just fold it like this, and you can just fit it on the breadboard like this. So I have connected the resistor and the LED. So now you have to take male to male wire, and where the resistor is ending, from there you have to take a male to male wire and connect that to any of the number to the digital pins. I am connecting on the 8 as I have coded. And now we have to take one more male to male wire, and now we have to make sure all connections are tight, and we need more jumper wires. Now let's connect the ultrasonic sensor. The ground pin will go to negative, echo pin will go to 4 as I have coded to a digital pin of Arduino, and trigger pin will go on 5 as I have coded in the Arduino digital pins. So, and VCC will go to positive. So now let's upload the code and show you how it works. So let's start. First you need an Arduino cable like this. You have to open Arduino IDE and paste the code over there and connect the Arduino with it. And click on upload. So now as you all can see, I have uploaded the code, and when I go in the 100 centimeters of the range of the ultrasonic sensor, any obstacle comes, the light glows, the yellow light over here. And as I remove my hand, it turns off. So I can show you the code also. The code is like this. So thanks for watching.